Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Bienvenidos nuevamente a mi canal. What's up? What's good? I hope you guys are doing well. So in today's video, I will be trying out some HONEYLOVE shapewear, one specific piece, which is a bodysuit. So if you want to see how it looks, what I think about it, and everything else, all the facts and information about their shapewear, then stay tuned, keep watching this video. But before we get into it, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also turn on your bell notifications so you do get notified every time I post a new video. Let's get into it. So in today's video, the shapewear that I will be trying on and talking about is this black nice bodysuit from HONEYLOVE. The name of this is Liftwear Tank Bodysuit. This is in the color black, of course, as you guys can see. I don't know exactly where I will be inserting the actual clips of me trying it on, but I'm going to start at the top and then work my way all the way down to the bottom when it comes to all the specs about the bodysuit. First things first, baby, these straps, I love the fact that they're so thick. They're not spaghetti straps. I like that because it actually makes it look a lot more light. It's not giving shapewear. It's giving a bodysuit, you know? But it's shaping you up nicely. So the second thing, it's obviously like just the bra in general. I love how this just keeps the girlies in place, baby. When I tell you I've jumped up and down in this, I've done everything, I ran in this, I've done everything, okay? And the babies, the tatas, they stay in place. I can't ask for nothing else because that's like my main thing whenever I'm not wearing a bra. So I love that. I love that the pads are removable, so you have removable cups. You can take them on and off. I like to wear mine personally with them on just because it covers up the nipples. It doesn't have any wires or anything like that to shape the boobies, which I don't know what type of sorcery is in this and how it keeps the girlies up, because there's no support per se. There's nothing, actually there's no metal, nothing holding the girlies up. So I don't really know how they stay up, but they stay up, which is the important part, okay? But it has the flexible wires on the side and they're super short. It's literally this is the length of it. So these are not annoying. You can barely feel them. It just gives you structure. So I like that a lot. I like how this is made. Just look at this. You can see this is so well made. I love it. So the middle section of the bodysuit, it has an X, as you can see right here, which is what gives you the tummy control or like the targeted compression, however you want to call it, and just smooths it out, and then you just look, it gives you that shape. So that X in the middle is what gives you that shape, okay? Because it has this type of design in the middle, it gives you that little nice sexiness, see-through, mesh see-through type of thing. This is not see-through though. This is actually the fabric that's on the inside, which is that color, but we're gonna get to that. But I just like how it looks. Okay, so then moving on to the private area right here. So it has clasps. Is that what it's called? Clasps? The same as you have on your bra. It's literally a bra opening situation. So you have 3 rows right here, 1, 2, and 3. And then you have the clasps right here. And then you just put them on whatever tightness. We're moving to the back part of the bodysuit. This is probably the only thing that I would personally change about it. Personally, I would prefer for this to be a thong, but I am not mad at this full booty coverage situation either, just because it lays so flat on my skin. Baby, it don't move, okay? It doesn't show underneath a dress, your pants, shorts. It doesn't show. I've tried it, okay? And it has this silicone part right here. That's what holds it in place for your skin. Like that's what grips it to your booty skin. And this actually works because I've seen this on other shapewear and it don't work. So the other thing I really enjoyed about the HONEYLOVE products is that they don't have any tags on their actual pieces, and I love that. Because it doesn't have any tags, my probably main favorite thing about the, not even what it's supposed to do, but just the aesthetic of the product itself, is the fact that this is printed onto the fabric. You just know there's no tags poking out anywhere. You don't have to worry about that because there's no tags. there's no tags. Okay, so that is basically it for this bodysuit. Personally, I really love this. I've used this already a few times. I've used it with pants and I've used it underneath a dress as well. It's supposed to give you a nice shape underneath your clothing, and this is exactly what this does. It gives you like that smooth surface, smooth looking tummy area, okay? And I love how that looks. So when it comes to the sizing of this, I would probably stick to the size that I am, because as I said, you're not supposed to not be able to breathe. You can probably size down because it does have a lot of stretch to it, so I'll probably size down. But what I really do recommend is to go on their website and use the sizing guide, because that'll literally give you the perfect size, because it's gonna ask you to measure your breasts, measure your waist, and measure your hips, and that way they'll find the perfect size for you in their shapewear, because you know every sizing is different from brand to brand. So I would definitely recommend to use the size guide, where I already have some other shapewear on the way from HONEYLOVE that I cannot wait to try. So if you guys are interested in seeing that, then stay tuned for that video as well. It will be coming shortly. So the other thing that they sent me that I really appreciate, I already got makeup on this, so let's not talk about that. I already got some black eyeshadow on here, but it is a wash bag for my shapewear. So whenever I'm washing this, what I do is I just put it in the bag, and then I put the bag in the washing machine, and this just keeps your shapewear intact. It doesn't get tangled up with the zipper on your jeans or anything else. It doesn't mess it up, and it keeps it intact, and I just think that's so convenient. I feel that's very convenient. That's pretty much it for today's video. As I said, I already have some other pieces from HONEYLOVE on the way, so I will be doing another video, so stay tuned for that, because I have some more exciting pieces. Some of them compress a little bit more, some of them compress a little bit less. If you want to know a little bit of the variety that they have and how they fit on me, if you want to use me for reference, then stay tuned for that video. But that is it for today's video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative, and don't forget to check out HONEYLOVE. I will have all the links in the description box down below, and stay tuned for the next video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also turn on your bell notifications so you do get notified every time I post a new video. Bye!